Hi everyone, today we have a new printer, QIDI Tech Plus 4. Okay, open the box. These are the box. The first thing we got is the manual. Let us see what is in the manual. Okay, basically it's all the accessory list. Here we can see the step-by-step guiding. Yeah, I can see the loading is from the side. Okay. You can see clearly here. The loading is from the side. And then we have the nozzle wipers, chamber heating kit, hose fan, all these things. Alright. Okay, these are the filament guides for beginners. Okay, these are the specs. Okay, let's see inside. Okay, we get some more edge protectors. Okay. Oh, glass top. Glass top. Alright. Glass top. It's a very big glass top. Glass top like P1S, X1C. Glass top. Right. If you can see. Okay. Okay. Wow. There are two handles here. One, two. For you to carry out from the box. Okay. Let me move down the box. Alright, I moved the box to the ground already. Right now we need to bring the whole printer out. Okay? Okay, I take out the printers already. The camera is dropped. Alright, let us check what is inside. Oh, there are rubber foot at the edge of the printers. Okay, what is inside? Okay, this is the spool holders. Okay, this is the spool holders. Okay, the spool holders and the plug. Right, spool holders and the plug. Okay, another box is the touchscreen and the other accessories. Okay, you can see the menu here. Okay, the filaments, and then the touchscreen, and also the LAN cables, lubricant, and tools, round head tools, the glue, okay, and the other tools, scrapers, door handles, all this. Okay, touchscreen. Okay, let me put it up. Let me tear down these things. it off this one. Okay. 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 Let's see the side. Oh, the power switch to the side means that you don't need to access behind anymore. Behind is the service hole for the belt. Service hole for the belt. And then I guess this one is for the ventilations. And a lamp port here. Lamp port. These are the dispenser of the waste, filament waste. Okay. Okay, let's see the behind here. Okay, there are no mounting over here. Okay, let us see inside. Okay, we can see this one is a spring one. Okay, this is the head. And then we can see the camera is here. Okay, and also the handles that we mentioned just now. Okay. For you to carry around. Okay, we can see the cleaning pad is here. And then this is the nozzle wiper. Okay, nozzle wiper. Cleaning sheet here. Okay, it's no longer like a scotch pad. It's like a PEI sheet is over here, like a PEI texture. Okay, let's continue assembly. There's a magnetic door here. The screen is not big, it's quite small. The screen is not big. There is an interface here. So you need to plug in. And there are cables. Here. Okay, it's done. Oh, the light is quite clear. The lighting is very bright. Okay. Okay, select the language. English. Next. Remove all cable ties. One cable tie. Two. And next. Remove 4 screws that fix the hot back. Okay. These are the 2 plates that we remove from the printers. Okay. Okay, next one. Please make sure the platform is clean and unlocked. Alright, next. Remove the 4 screws here. Simply slide in like this. Okay. Okay, slide in. PLA main green. Then we load this up. Okay. Settings the temperatures to 0. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, you can see how fast it's heating up here. Yeah, I can see the temperature is rising quite fast. Already start here. Click next. Click load button and keep pushing the filament until it's come out from the nozzle. Cleaning portion, right? No? Yes? Let me open the door. Okay, come on already. Next. Tutorial finish. That's all? You don't clean the filaments? Alright, let's see. Complete. Okay, right now we should do the calibration first. Let me clean. Yeah, we don't clean it, then we see what happened, right? Connect to the Wi-Fi. Successful. Then we can land on me. Alright. Tools. Bed leveling and input shaping before the first print. Okay. Bed leveling. Okay, set the temperature that we want to print later. 60. Right now the nozzle is cleaning. If you can see, yeah, it's cleaning up the nozzle. So if you buy this machine, for the very first start, you need to cut the nozzle. I mean, you need to cut the filament to make sure the nozzle is clean. Okay? Because the filament is still there. Okay. Let us cut the filament. Auto leveling completed. Okay, click confirm. Then we do input shaping. Please check the platform and bottom of the machine is ensure there are no debris. Click the button and start resonance compensation. Okay, that's it run. Okay, input shaping is done. Okay, let's test print. Confirm. Document. Okay, let's print the benchy first. 60 minutes. Okay. Go. You can adjust the Z height, the Z offset. Okay, also the flow rate. And you can see the status bar is over here, 60 minutes. Then you still can access to the others things here. But still waiting this to load. Okay, we can set still a lot of things here. Screen off settings, never. Okay, go back to home. The heating is quite fast. Okay, let's take out this one. Because it is 30 minutes, right? For the quality wise, I think it's okay. Let us zoom. I think zoom you can see clearly here. See there, the cooling is not enough for the 30 minutes benchy. Okay, here. See? But the other place is quite good. Try to print a figure and it doesn't look good with the TD generic PLA settings. I will try to tune the setting and print again. Then we see what is the difference. Let it finish first. Okay, you can clearly see that the overhang is not good here at the side of the cheek. See? You can see here the side of the cheek. It's not good. We'll print one more. Okay, the overall is okay. Let me print one more. Okay, I see the part is done. Let's see. Okay, the cooling issue is solved. Let me take out the things. Okay, this is the previous one. Right, you can see here. The part here. Right, it's not cooling well. But this one is perfect. Perfect, right? It's quite good. Okay, right now I will print a full first layer print test for the build size 305 times 305. Full first layer print is already done. No issues. Looks good. Okay, right now we are printing the Wukong figure in this X plus 4. Everything looks good. Okay, I will show the print result after it finished, but everything right now looks very good. Okay, the job is finished. Let's take out and take a look. Wow, it's quite good. Let it cool down and then remove the support. Okay, this is a door color. Silk PLA. Blue and red. Okay, after print, the screen is hang. See, nothing. Nothing. Yeah, it's hang already. So I have to restart the machine. Okay, the first PETG print is already finished. Looks like it's very glossy here. Maybe the temperature is too high. Let us see. The quality is still good. I think the only problem is the glossy surface is too glossy here. I think we need to reduce the temperatures. Right, this is our products. So this is Easy Series PC stand. Okay, let's print another one in white color. Oh yeah, one more brackets here. Small brackets. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, alright. Let me clean the surface, change to PETG white, and then print another orders from our Shopee shop. Okay. Okay. You can feel the filament is actually pulling in by the extruders. Then you can just let it extrude. And then once it's finished, then it will tell you that the process is already completed. Okay, completed. Alright, then right now we can go print the white projects here. Okay, the print is start. Okay, we need to, when printing the PETG, in our past experience, the door can be open, but we will prefer it to be closed, right? Only left the top cover is open. Then we can maintain the temperatures over here without overheating the extruders, then causing the clock. Okay, because the PETG, it tends to warp if the temperature, ambient temperature is too cold. Okay, let it print. Okay, the job start. Looks good here. The surface, I think still need to do some tuning because the top surface is not so good. I guess need to do some pressure advance. Okay, after the final tune, this is the result. Okay, let us zoom in. Looks okay here. Looks okay here. Let us take out and remove, and then we see how it looks like. We need to open from here. Okay. Take out. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. See? Don't have any issue here. Looks really good. Alright, we can do a test print. Okay, after tuning, the black color PETG is done. Let's check how it's. Let's check it out. Yeah. Let's see the quality here. Looks okay. I think this is due to the profile here. Maybe due to the seam setting. But yeah, the place looks good. Let me take it out. There is a support at the bottom. The bottom looks good. Yeah, you can see the bottom here. The bottom looks good. Yeah, the bottom looks good. Inside looks good. This is PTG. Alright, we already changed to ABS black. And in the profile setting for ABS, only have their QIDI tag, ABS Rapido setting. So we have to try whether the setting for the ABS Rapido is applicable for the others ABS. So we set the same bed temperature for the ABS Rapido from QIDI tag, which is 90 Celsius, and then let it stable down for like 5 minutes. Then we run the auto bed leveling for the 90 Celsius. Okay, finish print the first ABS part. Let's see. Looks okay. Let us take out and have a look. The bottom part looks okay, but I think it stick too well. The surface here, we can see some block here. I think it's due to the moisture. But the print looks good. The print looks good. Maybe we print like 9 pieces in one plate. Then we see how it performs, right? Okay, it looks good here. You can see from the top. The print looks good. ABS. Let's take it out, this one. This is the pieces. Looks okay here. This is ABS without any brim. Looks okay. Right now we're going to print ASA. The bed temperature is 90, same as the ABS, so I don't need to do the auto leveling again. So I let it print straight from the profile that provided in the Oka slicer. Let's see what happens later. Okay, the part is done. Let's see. The surface looks okay. But I think the tuning for the cooling is not good. Tuning is not good. We can see here. You can see here. The tuning is not good. Let's see what happened. Then I tune one more and print. But the surface is okay. Good. Okay. The overhang issue is solved. Solved already, but it's kind of stringing because of the stud. It's at the back here. So means that it's an issue of pressure advance, I guess. Let me run a pressure advance and then let's see where it solves the extrusion issue. Okay, the last trial is done. Let's see. SA. Looks good now after the pressure advance settings. I think this is due to the warping. so maybe the temperature is not enough. But I guess this is a good printing. Waste bin for +4. Just start printing. Let's see how it goes later. It takes around 7 hours 50 minutes. Print by PLA. The print part still looks good here. See the overhang? The part still looks good here. This is for the waste bin. Okay, let's see when it's finished, then we try fit to the printer. Okay, right now we're going to dismantle the extruder covers, and then let's see what is inside. Okay, Slimpy, push up, and then remove from the top. Push up, remove. This is the way to open it. So you can actually see, let me move the camera a bit. Okay, when you see from the top, right, the interface already changed to in front. So whenever you want to change the hot end, right, you don't need to open the back cover already. Okay, this is good. So simply changing the hot end by remove these two small screws, and then dismantle these cables. They already incorporate to one cables. As you can see here, the thermistor and the heater already incorporate to one cables. Okay, so you can only remove one of the connector, then you can change the whole hot end. Okay, fan is no longer attached to the hot end, heat sinks, no more. Okay, this is the cutters. Okay, this is the cutters, and this one already come with the lock clip, so you cannot remove it already. This is good as well. So I don't see any complicated things here. So you also can monitor the condition of the extruders, whether it's clogged, dry, or dirty over here. Okay, so I guess the maintenance is quite good already right now compared to the Q1 Pro. So you don't have to remove so many covers. Even the covers, the new one already come with the magnetic and slide in at the top of the holes. So no longer hanging over there. This is good as well. Okay. For the other things is just like normal. Okay, this is the waste hole for the filaments. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of waste here all around the printer, behind the printers. I already cleaned it yesterday, and after 1 day, the waste still scattered around. So I designed this. This is the waste bin for the X Plus. So this is printed by X Plus as well, X Plus 4 as well. So let us try. Okay, it looks good here. Okay, you can see here it's fitting to this, so it's prevent the waste going out from here. The reason why I need to open this one because it's for the ventilations, because you can see the ventilation is at the center. Nice. Okay, for the summary, we need to talk about what we don't like about the printers. So QIDI Tech can make improvement for this. So for the first one, even though this is good to include this 7mm spanner for inside the package, basically you need to use this one to do the platform calibrations. When the auto bed leveling cannot solve the Z leveling issue, you need to use this spanner to adjust the whole print, the 5 points, the 5 points of the platform to be roughly the same level in order to get the auto bed leveling to works. Okay, so it's good to provide this one. I think for the pre-factory calibration is very important. So QIDI need to make sure the Z leveling is good. So every printers that come out from the QIDI can do the auto bed leveling very good. So this is the only printer that we review. It has the issue of Z leveling issue at this side and this side. So behind 2 point, no problem. The front 2 point is the gap too big. So the Z leveling cannot solve the issue because it's already too far away from the gap. The gap is too big. The auto bed leveling cannot function. So I have to adjust here, adjust here. So you need to loosen up the nuts here, and then there is a knob for you to turn. Okay, even though the guiding is on the screen already, even though the guiding is over here, when you want to run this platform calibrations, they guide you through the screen, but you still need to do it manually to adjust the gap. Okay, so normally we only run auto bed leveling and input shaping. Whenever you need to run this one, right, you need to ready this spanner 7mm. Okay, so this is the first cons that trouble me in very first place, because we found the leveling is not so good when we testing the PLA. Okay, after solving the bed leveling, this printer is good, consistent. Okay, the second thing is the interface of the interface algorithm is different with Q1 Pro and X-Max 3. Okay, whenever you want to use this interface, right, when you click replacement filaments, right, you can see the next button and the back button is already changing positions. The next should be at the right side. If you are using, you are already used, if you are get used to the Q1 Pro and X-Max 3, right, the button is, they're changing the positions already. So it's very confusing. So I think QIDI need to standardize it. Third cons is, whenever you operate the screen, right, like after printing finish, you will have a blank screen with one button at the center. Sometimes we're not able to press it because the screen is hang. So I don't know why the screen is hang. So we try to press many times. I try to press many times, it still not respond. So what I have to do is to restart the printers. So whenever I restart the printers, then I need to rerun the auto bed leveling and input shaping again. Okay, so I think this is another cons. Okay, finish talking about the cons, right? I need to talk about the pros. Okay, the first pros definitely is the filament cutter. The filament cutter on the extruder is very useful. The second pros is they're changing all the interface connector to the front, so you don't need to open the back cover anymore. So this is the second pros. The third pros is they're changing the filament holders to the top, which is very good. It makes the loading easier from the top, no longer at the side, because the side is wasting too much space. Okay. And number 4, the heating for the nozzle is very fast. So I think this is the fastest I can see, the fastest I've seen before. And then number 5, they upgrade all the doors and the top covers to be glass. So I think this is very good upgrade. It makes the printer look so nice compared to the Q1 Pro. Okay, you can see the last generation Q1 Pro is over here. Okay, it makes the X Plus 4 looks so much better than the Q1 Pro, because the Q1 Pro, it looks like plastic, even though the cover is still plastic, but the covers already changed to glass, so it looks much more better. So roughly this is a good update. For the pricing, we know the pricing already. Harimau 3D still selling the same pricing as per website. So whenever the printer launching, we already have the printer in stock, but we don't list it to the Shopee because the printer is too heavy. So we have to list it on our website. So if you want to buy the X Plus 4, you can buy through our website. The pricing after convert to Malaysian ringgit is still same as the website pricing. Okay, roughly this is the review for the X Plus 4. So if you want to see the detail of the printing that we print earlier, we will do a B-roll rotating video at the back of at the end of the video. You can take a look of every print. For the print is not good until the print is good, so we do some B-roll rotating video. We will put the link on the description of the video, so you can download the waste bin whenever you get the plus 4 printer, because this bin only can print on the plus 4. It's quite big. Okay. Alright, so that's all for the review of X Plus 4. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, click the like button, let us know that you like the video. Alright, thank you.